Okay, we're already at all-time highs here, but this thing has stair-stepped its way up, and I don't know how you can think that anything but being bullish in this stock is the way to go. I mean, I see all fundamentals and all technicals here. Obviously, earnings report, they can disappoint, right? There's no question they can disappoint. However, if this upside call calendar we're looking at, if it kind of meets our criteria, if vol has picked up a little today and we can get a little extra premium in our short option, we got to run for it, okay? So 125 is really the target here. So let's take a look at a 125 call calendar. We can also look at the 126, but let's see here. Okay, vol is definitely expensive this week, which is a good thing for us. What we really want to see is what has it done for next week? How much has it popped? Because I want to really hammer the heck out of the implied vol for next week.